Goodness, what's all of this? Guys, welcome to our channel. We're going to do something real quick just to show you what we've already done to the smoke side. But in our smoke box, we're using just rubbing alcohol, a cloth, and we're going to try and get some of this sealant off of here. So we're just scrubbing it down to really get a good clean surface to apply our gasket. Now these are high temp gaskets, so it should be able to take the heat that will come out of the smoke box, and you know, it's not like this is difficult, so don't be afraid to attempt this. Plus the product is not all that expensive, so if you mess up, that's all right, just apply it again, you know, and eventually you'll find that technique that works for you. And when you do, share it with us here on the channel, because Weekend Barbecuers, we're all about sharing our ideas. We're all about you know, being enthusiasts about barbecuing and smoking. And when we find something that works for us, our channel is about sharing it with you. We're not here to monetize. This is our hobby. This is just a passion we have. We're not setting out to be pit masters. We're here to enjoy a nice weekend barbecue, some good smoke, some brisket, some nice ribs, and share them with our friends and families. Isn't that what traditional barbecue is all about? Bringing over your friend, your family members, and just enjoying some good home style barbecue. And the added benefit is obviously it's a smoker, and we can also charcoal on it. So, you know, it's a 3-in-1. So our channel is going to be experiencing and exploring the difference between traditional smoke as well as charcoal, and how we can utilize a hot temp grill along with that process. And then don't forget the little buddy burner on the side. This is where you're going to make your pork and beans. This is where you can steam some vegetables. I mean, you could probably even do a little bit of stir fry on this side. Or maybe some chicken, right? A few chicken wings, and then finish them out on the grill or on the smoke side. So Weekend Barbecues is just about people like you that are enthusiasts, that want to enjoy their smoker or their grill, and that are willing to share it with their friends and neighbors. So subscribe, you'll see it right there on the screen. Become a part of what we're doing here on this channel. Share your tips, your techniques, your DIY insights, and certainly share some pictures of that good grub from your weekend. So let this be our grub hub so that you and I can enjoy the journey together. Hey, I look forward to seeing you. Subscribe. We want you to be a part of us.